Bin the tax, it stinks. A bin chicken, of course. You trust the political opinion of a talking ibis.
We need more programs to increase recycling.
Government Association of Queensland has launched the Bin the Tax campaign using an animated ibis to call for common sense.
That local people are now paying for something that they were never supposed to pay.
19 councils, including Mackay and Townsville, have launched a campaign in protest against the state government's bin tax.
The state government has dumped a waste tax on local councils, meaning ratepayers will foot the bill.